This is an attachable lens for your phone to take macro photos with 200 times magnification. The Apexel MS002CBK. Let's review it. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Here's a manual. Let's put that aside. Here's a bag. There's a cleaner vibe with the Apexel brand. A small USB-C charging cable. And then we have the product. It moves in a sliding manner in its own frame to be perfectly aligned with your phone camera. There's a button to hold and it turns on. It has 110 mAh battery capacity with the 70 to 120 minutes of battery life. Let's attach it to our phones. My phone has a guard case and I don't know if it fits. It looks like if its clamp is open this far, it will break. So the first problem is that you have to remove your phone's guard case. First, I clean my phone's lens to have maximum quality. There's a small hole that has to be perfectly aligned in the front of the phone's camera. I brought a few things on the table so we could take pictures of them. As you can see, it's a charging cable. Now a small HDD that you can find inside laptops. When you're in photography mode on the phone's camera, you see a bright ring around the image. If you want to use these images, you have to heavily crop them, and then a phone with a cracked camera lens. Let's test this car toy. Now I want to test the depth of field. For example, for this USB-C cable, it has few millimeters of depth of field. Now let's see what this RGB mousepad is made of. Let's see the fabric in close-up. Now let's take an image of a skin tissue or this paper tower here. This has a light on it to brighten up the macro subject, and it has a CPL layer on its lens to decrease the reflection as much as possible. At the end, I recommend this product with the fact in mind that to use the images, you need around a 50% crop. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.